Hello and welcome to my channel Making Crafts. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Crafty Crew Kit from Crafty Stamp Co. And this kit is available for pre-order only. It will not be available in the shop, so if you want to get this kit you'll have to order before December 15th, which is tomorrow. I know it's kind of last minute, but I've showed you a couple of cards I made using the samples of the kit, but now I have the kit in my hand, so I wanted to show you the actual kit. So it comes in this cute little box, and I'm going to move it around so I can get it on my desk. And I've already unboxed it and did an unboxing video, and my mic was set up wrong, so I am having to do this one again. So I've already seen the contents of the kit, but I kind of knew what was already in it anyway, so it's not a surprise. So but I do want to show you how it comes. So it does come nicely wrapped, but I've already torn this open, and so what's inside is your kit, and it comes in this nice mesh bag, and I really love that it comes in this bag. It is so cool to have this bag. This kit is well thought out the way she put it together, and so this bag will be great to keep all of the pieces from this kit. So each kit that you get comes on a bi-monthly, so you'll get one in January. If you sign up for the year's worth, you'll get one every other month. So the first one comes out in January, which is this kit, and then one comes out in March, and then May, and so on and so forth like that. And so so each month you'll get this bag, and you can keep your kit in that, and I think it's really neat. So let's take a look at what comes in your kit. So let's start out first with the stamps. So you get two stamp sets, and you can see here you've got the little love birds, and this one's called Love is in the Air, but it says love birds and love here, and you can see, it's hard to see, I know, but you get all these stamps, a bunch of little hearts to use on your cards, and little bitty birds and different things for your Valentine's cards. And then you get this one that's called You're My Person, and it has the little boy and girl in it, and then it has a few sentiments. It has that favorite one that I like to use in You're the Person I Want to Annoy for the Rest of My Life. I love that one. But then it also has Love You, Best Friends Forever, XOXO, and You and Me. So you get a bunch of little sentiments in that one. Also, it comes with a stencil, which is really cool. I can't wait to use the stencil. So the samples that I had didn't have the stencil, so I can't wait to give this a try. So you have a 6x6 stencil, and that's of hearts and dots you can see there on the screen. And then it comes with a pack of paper. And I really love this sleeve that the paper comes in. I don't know if all of the papers come in this each time, or if this is just something for this kit. I'll have to ask her, because I really love that, because when you take these paper packs apart, there's loose papers, so it'll be great just to put it down into the sleeve. So she's really thought this through. And then here is the paper, and I've already peeled the little sticker off because, like I said, I recorded this before, but my mic was totally messed up. You couldn't hear anything I was saying. So hopefully you can hear this time. So you have your script page there, and the background is kind of a cream color, not exactly white. It's like a cream, so this is red and cream. And then you got your plaids. This one looks like old stamps. You got hearts, more script, dots, and I love these roses. Isn't that beautiful? And then you have your hearts again, and your birds. Hold it up because it's little bitty birds all over that. That is a pretty piece of paper. And then you have more script. You have your hearts again. You've got roses with script, and then it starts all over. So you get 4 designs, 4 of each. So you get 12 designs, 4 of each, and it's 24 double cardstock. So double-sided cardstock. So it's called Vintage Romance. And like I said, this one, I don't think any of these items are going to be in the shop. It's only for pre-order. So like I said, these items are not going to be in the shop. They're only for pre-order. So you have to pre-order by December 15th. So that's tomorrow. So I know that's pretty soon. But I will put the link in my description, and you can check it out. And that is my affiliate link. So I would love if you decide to shop Crafty Stamp Co. to use that link to shop, because it really helps out my channel. And so the last thing that comes in the kit is these shaker bits, and it has all kinds of little things in there to make a shaker card, or I use these to decorate the front of a card as well. So you've got little strawberries and little red and clear dots and white dots and little diamond pieces. It looks like a little chocolate heart in there, and then a little pink heart. There's so many different things. Every time I look at it, I see something different. So there is a lot in here, and I really love the container that it comes in. That's a great way to store it. And then it has the Crafty Stamp Co. sticker on the back. So that is the kit. So like I said, if you would like to order this kit, you can't order the pieces individually. You have to order it as a kit, and its last day to order is December 15th, and I'll have a link below to that. And I hope that you've enjoyed seeing me unbox this kit, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.